Want to know how to use WeTransfer to send files? In this video, I will guide you on how you can use it. The first thing you want to do is download and install the WeTransfer app on your device. Now launch it open. Here, tap Get Started. Now you will have to log into your account. So go ahead and enter your email address and tap on the continue option, or you can also continue using Google. Once you have been logged in, this will be the interface. On the main screen, tap on the plus icon to upload your file. You can choose from your photo library, documents, or even capture a new file with your camera. So go ahead and tap on this plus icon. Select whichever option you prefer. I'm going to select photo and video library. Once selected, the file will appear ready to be transferred. Next, you will have two options here, get a link and send as email. Tap send as email for the easiest option. Now enter the recipient's email address. If you want, you can also enter a message. You can also set a password if you want. For that, toggle on the option of add a password and then go ahead and add one password over here. If everything looks good, you want to tap on the transfer option at the bottom of your screen. WeTransfer will upload your file, generate a link, and email it to your recipient. You'll see a confirmation once the process is complete. They can download the file instantly. That's all it takes to send files with WeTransfer. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.